Thank you for purchasing the Roadmaster Enzo 8 mobility scooter. We've put together this short video to help you with its assembly and to make sure you get the very most out of your new CareCo product. Your scooter should come fully boxed as seen here. Courier delivery is available straight to your doorstep. Carefully cut the tape and any straps with a knife or a pair of scissors to open the box. Once opened, you can start lifting out the packaging and the individual scooter components. Start by lifting out the individual armrests and then the seat. Set these items to one side. You will now want to raise the tiller head. You can do this by squeezing the lever on the underside of the tiller, and then raise the tiller by the handlebars to an upright position. With the tiller locked in place, you can now access and lift out the smaller components. Remove any remaining packaging to access the main scooter body. We don't recommend that you attempt to lift the scooter out by yourself as it is heavy. Instead, tidily cut the front of the box open and then flick the red switch on the rear of the scooter to put it into freewheel mode. You can now gently push the scooter out of the box. You're now ready to assemble your scooter. Packaged with your basket, you should find an instruction manual. Please keep hold of this as it contains useful information on the assembly, basic maintenance and best use of your scooter. You will also find a spare set of screws, the ignition key and your scooter's battery charger. On this model, the charge port is located on the tiller head. Also on this scooter, the batteries will need to be installed separately. This scooter requires two 12-volt 85 Ah batteries. For the following demonstration, we're using a Victory pavement scooter. However, the method of battery installation shown here also applies to this model, so please watch carefully. First, lift off the shrouding on the back of the scooter. Here you will find two sets of cables that connect to the batteries. Disconnect these two cables by the red plugs and set the cables aside, one for each battery. This scooter requires two 12-volt 34 Ah sealed lead-acid batteries. Once unboxed, remove the screws on either end of the battery to unlock the terminals. Make sure you keep the screws with their respective washers. Take a cable and push the rubber cover back to reveal the metal ring on the end. Now you can connect the cable to the battery. With the washers now realigned with the screw, feed the cable end under the handle and connect it to the terminal on top. Make sure the black end of the cable connects to the negative terminal and the red end is connected to the positive terminal. Connect the ring with the terminal using the screw and tighten with a spanner to make sure it's fully secure. When in place, push down the rubber cable cover to protect the terminal. Repeat this process with the other cable on the second battery. Once you have dropped the cable onto the battery, you are now ready to put them onto the scooter. Remove these Velcro straps, then carefully place the battery on the platform. Secure the battery in place using the Velcro strap. This will prevent the battery from moving around and becoming disconnected when driving the scooter over rough and rugged terrain. Remember to do this for both batteries. Join the two halves together, red to red and then black to black. Then the final part is to connect the batteries to the scooter by attaching the remaining black plug, which will make the scooter live. Prior to putting the shroud on, turn the ignition key to see if you have power and pull the wigwag or throttle. A green light will come on if you have power and you can see how much charge is in the batteries on the battery gauge. Once this is done, drop the shrouding back into place. Now it's time to add the padded seat. Remove any plastic wrapping and drop the seat onto the post. Next, attach the headrest to the seat. Push the small button on top of the seat and slot the headrest into place. Now you can attach the armrests. Twist these dials on the rear of the seat to clear the armrest slot. Then slide the armrests into place. Once you have found a comfortable seat width, twist the dials again to secure the armrest and repeat this process on both sides. The height of the armrests can also be adjusted using these small dials on the side. Finally, secure the shopping basket to the front of the tiller. This can be easily removed and reattached as you like. Your scooter is now fully assembled and ready for use. We ask that you please keep all packaging safe and secure in the dry, just in case you need to return the item. For more details about the Roadmaster Enzo 8 mobility scooter or its assembly, simply visit careco.co.uk, pop into one of our showrooms or give us a call. Thanks for watching. Take care.